What's cracking like it? It's your boy Damien Dupee, your #1 off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on the infill lots, coming back at you, smack at you with some epic wild content. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for your time and your consideration. I definitely will try to add value to you as much as I can. All right, so go ahead and smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any more epic wild content from your boy. If you're in the Charlotte market and you want to attend a meetup February 25th, the link is in the description. Come check me out on Moorhead Street. It's going to be off the chain like John Wayne. You hear me? And you don't want to miss it. 7 to 9 p.m. Get in when you fit in. Last but not least, I have launched a course, a paid course, $997. The price will be going up, so you better get in while you fit in. You hear me? So thank you for your time. Thank you for your consideration. So let's get into what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about how to find a hot market to flip land in. I'm so blessed. I'll be honest. I have the MLS access, and it allows me to see stuff that a lot of people can't see. But if you do not have the MLS access, rest assuredly, I got you. The first thing you want to do, if you're trying to find a hot market to flip land is, you want to Google. Google should be your best friend. And let me give you a couple ideas. I'm going to show you how I'm going to find a market, how I'm going to size it up, and I'm going to look at it. And I'll probably break this down in a couple videos because I try to keep these videos between 8 to 20 minutes. But let's get started. Where are people moving to? All right. America's moved south in 2021 off the influence by the pandemic. All right. So what does South look like? Okay. South Carolina, inbound percentage. Vermont got a lot of inbound. South Dakota, South Carolina, West Virginia. And you just want to look at a couple articles. You want to look at a couple different articles. You just want to see if you see a lot of the different stuff. So you just want to go here. So basically, we're just going to do that all over again. Where people are moving to 2021. And we want to click on a couple articles. Just saying America's moved south in 2021, influenced by the pandemic. We just saw that article. We don't want that article. Let's see what else we got. 2022. All right, let's see. All right, let's say people moving, top states people are moving to: Arizona, Florida, Idaho, North Carolina. All right, North Carolina, South Carolina, Texas. All right, North Carolina, South Carolina. All right. All right. So you want to do building. You want to Google this: building permits by state. So let's just say I wanted to look at North Carolina and South Carolina, and I wanted to see like how many building permits are they pulling out there. North Carolina, South Carolina. I think I can select the state. Let's see. I'm looking for it by the state. 2021. Let's see what we got. All right. So as you can see right here, let me blow this up so you can see it. These are how many like permits are being pulled. Okay, and this is basically allows you to see like where is the activity at. Okay, very important. As you can see, North Carolina and South Carolina. Let's see what this column stands for. Total, 1 unit, 2 unit. Okay, so we just want to go total and 1 unit. So we got 91,000 permits pulled in North Carolina, $49,000 in South Carolina. So if I had to choose between North Carolina and South Carolina, of course it depends on how big the place is, but I would say North Carolina. But again, we won't make a decision yet. We're just going to keep researching. So let's just say I chose North Carolina. Hottest cities. Once you get the state, now you want to find the hottest cities in North Carolina. All right. The coldest. Oh, I don't want the hottest like weather. All right. Hottest new construction. I guess you got to be specific. Google thought we was talking about the weather. 2 North Carolina cities are among the hottest markets. Okay. Charlotte Observer. Oh man, they're making me pay. Nice. I don't want to pay for that. Best places to live, 20 by home in North Carolina. All right, let's see. All right, so I got top cities in North Carolina. Let's see when this article came out. 2021, not bad, November. They got Raleigh as #1. I love the medium home price though. 300 and under, that's pretty cool. Asheville, 375. All right, Durham, okay. Charlotte, #4. Winston-Salem, 205. I like Winston-Salem. Medium home price, 205. I like that 250 and under, to be honest. So you're looking for a place that got, you know, a medium home price, 300 and under. 250 and under is even better. This is 300 and under. Wilmington. Mooresville, 360, pretty high. High Point, 186. So High Point is a place I like. High Point, let's see, Holly Springs. All right, so what I would do is I would go, okay, let's just say I picked High Point, okay? High Point was like where the cheapest houses were selling. So what I would do is basically go to Zillow and I want to put in High Point, North Carolina. And this is like my process to finding a hot market. All right, so I would do for sale. I would do lots of land. I would do days on Zillow. I'm gonna put any. All right, but I think what I would do, and because I like 50,000 and under, because I like the cheaper lots, I want to see what's on the market for 50,000 and under, and I want to see what's sold 50,000. You can play with this price the way you want to. From my experience, from my years being in the game, this is what works, okay? This is what works. All right, as you can see. All right, we got 14 listings on the market. 1 for sale by owner. I take it. All right. So then I see it's 14 on the market. I want to see how many sold within the last year. And this is going to show me like what kind of demand is in that market. So I do sold within the last 12 months. All right. So 14 on the market and 64 sold within the last year. So 64 divided by 14. So 4.5 times what has sold, what is on the market have sold, which I like. That shows me that there is some demand. What you don't want to see is 180 on the market and 64 sold, which is meaning there's a lot of saturation. So this is kind of my framework on how I find markets, how I size markets up. The next thing I would do is kind of click on some properties and see if I can see what the utilities is. Because I want to make sure this is a place that has a lot of lots with water and sewer. So basically I go down here to utilities, and sometimes it'll show it, sometimes it won't. Water, public, sewer, public, perfect, okay? So when you go into a market and you sizing it up, you could do this right on Zillow. You want to make sure you got utilities there. Utilities makes lots sell super fast, ladies and gentlemen. Super fast. So you always want to try, before you go into a market, before you start spending your marketing dollars, is check for utilities. Again, Zillow usually has them majority of the time, but not all the time. Okay? Alright, so I don't see it on this one. But that's how I would size up. That's how I would find a hot market. Just like that. Just like that. So I hope you got some value out of this. Thank you for your time and consideration. Don't take it lightly or for granted that I get to serve you in this capacity by showing you, insights, wisdom, tips, and tricks of how I do what I do and how I get the results that I get. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. Smash that like button, turn your notification bell on, and drop me a comment. Holla at your boy. I'm gone like the wind. Appreciate you. See you when I see you.